have a client that's like just a medium, like it's middles. It's a little bit crystals, a little bit of designs. And then I have some clients just want really nice settles. So condensed wool gels. And I cap this that your sticker will never go anywhere. No white top coat. I'm doing it because I am going to put some on the side. I feel like it's everywhere on my sides, and then I have so many cameras around. But I'm so enjoying it with everyone. It's just such a great time. Every night we are like, what to say? Nails, date night, or what you should say. I don't know. Is anyone thinking of really cool names? Share with us. We should have the name on that. I want to do some pink on it. Maybe orange on it. Maybe orange. Some pink. We're working so hard. We can't wait to announce it. 40,000 follower giveaway. We already passed it. Thank you so much, everyone, for the love and support. So excited. All right, I don't know if I want to do more. I can do a lot more crystals in here. So cute. I feel like I want some pink though. Oh, just me. I'm putting it in. Oh, it looks good. Now some orange. You don't like it? You don't have to put it in. I just put it in. I just try to see how, if pink going well with this. Actually, it looks good. This is a lover. I feel like I don't even pay attention on the time at all because that was so much fun. Look at this. To be sitting here and create some fun nails for you ladies is so much like awesome. Cool. You still see some of your fusion. Okay, see what else I want to do. Maybe this. Some green. I know I can go on and on. Hey, I'm gonna have to put some pink on it. Just a little bit pink. Okay, now it's balanced because it has a lot of yellows. It needs to have some color to tone it down, I guess. You like it now? If you like it, we're gonna keep this for 60 seconds. I'm using obsidian, so it's like kind of tone it down because it's had a lot of yellows, stunning sunflowers and all sort of different cool things. Hi, Libras, how are you? Hey, thank Keja. Hi, Missy. Genesee, how are you? Oh, you was watching Willoughby, is that right? I don't know. Was that from Netflix, live for us? Maya, I think Keja, Maya, hers might be earlier. She was here. I don't know if she's still here. Oh, thank you, Foxy. I like it too. It's kind of I think it's bring the color because the beige colors. Hi, Brad. How are you? Sorry, it was Facebook it crashed earlier. I have no idea what happened. As lately, I have that happens with my YouTube too. I don't know if maybe it's my internet or what. It's just acting up like this. But welcome back. And I am going to using precision glue to always double secure all the crystals and go through around. You don't want to squeeze out a lot, just a little bit. Go a long way. You feel first before you squeeze anything in. Just around that. And I'm using a twin tip brush. Using on that detail brush. All right, here for 60 seconds, and this nail will be completely done. Make sure you put the red cap on this bottle back in. So you won't get, it's prevent from clocking and protect your precision glue. It's a long time because each time you're using it just a little smaller amounts. You don't use a whole lot. Oh, this one is super cute, stunning. You can put Diamond Dust Pixie on over it. This one looks super cute. I get 2 more nails. Do we get pink one? Where's my pink one? Oh, here you go. Transfer foil on this one. Super cute.